Hi everyone, and welcome to the CLAT 2022 paper analysis by CollegeDekho. The exam was conducted from 2 to 4 p.m. today in offline mode. As per the reactions of students who took the exam, the overall difficulty level of CLAT 2022 was moderate and a few sections were lengthy. Students have reported that the question paper did not have any surprises. Talking about the section-wise difficulty level of CLAT 2022, the section of GK and current affairs was on the easier side this year. The important topics on which questions were asked included the Russia-Ukraine conflict, corporate social responsibility, ISRO, etc. The legal reasoning section of CLAT was between easy to moderate. Questions were based on the Constitution, Special Marriage Act, bigamy, writs, etc. The passages were not difficult and questions were fairly doable. Some students have complained that 1 to 2 passages were a bit tricky for them to understand. Most questions were on hypothetical scenarios and some questions were direct. The logical reasoning section was easy and had comparatively shorter passages as compared to the last 2 years of CLAT. Most of the questions were contextual and a few questions were asked on assumption, main idea, and 1 to 2 questions were based on inferences. The Quantitative Techniques section of CLAT 2022 was between easy to moderate. There were no graphs in this section and all 3 were caselets. Students have reported that the English language section was easy, but the passages were quite lengthy. Many questions were contextual and candidates had enough time to comprehend the passage and solve questions since the other sections of CLAT were not very lengthy. This was all about the exam analysis of CLAT 2022. Stay tuned to CollegeDekho for more updates and send your queries to us through the Q&A zone.